Whatever the weather is. Oh my gosh, it's freaking warm as heck out.
Watch your profanity.
Beach day. Beach day, boys. I'm getting wet. Boys are ready.
Go for a dip.
We're gonna need some sunscreen for this warm day.
Yeah, I don't want to get no sunburns.
I get that
Nice.
even layer.
Gotta get my nipple all nice and all that.
Don't forget your face.
Oh.
Yeah, don't want to get burnt out there. It's hot. All right, boys, let's go.
Let's go, boys. Okay, let's go.
My dick is so far out of my body, it's not even funny!
It's like friggin' so warm out.
So you're about to go for a dip now, huh?
Yeah. Like my toes are like totally feelable right now. Like I can so feel my toes.
That's good.
Wonderful. Holy!
Go, Isaac.
We're getting in the water!
Go, Isaac.
Wow! Jimmy! Get in the fucking water! Let's go! Go, Jimmy.
He's doing it! He's doing it!
I get in the water.
Isaac, just do it, then Jimmy has to do it after.
Man, this is solid shots.
All right, give her a jump, Isaac. She's looking warm.
Take a video, man.
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
On the boys' warmest day out. Let's do this. Holy shit! Oh, man!
You forgot your chair. All right, Jimmy, your turn, buddy.
Shit. Should I jump in socks too?
Oh yeah, do everything. Don't worry, my hands are cold too.
I can't feel my. Oh, my freaking toe. My toe. 2018 summer blues. Oh, holy shit! Oh, I can't talk. Get on that, please.
Just run, I'll get the chair.
Okay, no. Yeah, okay, take a minute. Yo, my watch too, please.
It's been a good day. What happened to you? I don't know. Must have been a seagull, eh?
Yeah, seagull came.
The seagull got you.
Nice warm water.
You forgot to put on sunblock, that's it.
Yeah,
The sunblock.